how to stream your Zoom meeting on YouTube. It doesn't matter how to stream Zoom or anything. The basic way to stream anything on YouTube is this. You need to download this software called OBS. Once you download this OBS software, over here under sources, you want to click on the plus button. And from here, you want to choose display capture and you want to click on OK. Once you do that, a display capture will be added, which means whatever thing is being shown on your screen is going to be captured and it's going to be streamed on YouTube. So if your Zoom is running on your background, your Zoom is also going to be captured over here. Okay. So then once you set up display capture, you want to click on file, click on settings. From here, click on stream. And from here at the top servers, you want to choose YouTube. And from here, just click on connect and connect your YouTube channel. And once you connect your YouTube channel, click on apply, click on OK. And then just click on start streaming. And whatever is like being shown in your screen right now is going to be streamed on YouTube, which means if your Zoom meeting is running in the background, it's going to be captured and streamed on YouTube. That's how you guys can stream your Zoom meeting on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.